Hello everyone. I am Dr. Sana from Study and Research with Dr. Sana, and from now onwards I'll be doing live Pomodoro study sessions every 3 to 4 days a week, and let's study together and grow together. Okay, bye for now.